A commander doesn't send the weakest soldier to guard the most important post. He sends the one he trusts most to hold the line, the one he already knows won't abandon it under pressure. Whatever post you've been assigned in your life right now, the hardest one, the one testing every bit of your patience, that placement wasn't random. You were positioned there because Allah trusted you to hold it. Nobody hands the most demanding responsibility to someone incapable of carrying it. It would be pointless, even cruel. Allah says in the Quran, "On no soul does Allah place a burden greater than it can bear." Whatever weight you're currently under wasn't measured out carelessly. It was measured against exactly what you're able to carry, meaning the fact that it's in your hands right now is proof of capacity, not proof of neglect. You might assume trust is earned only after you've already handled something well. But Allah's trust in you came before this trial started, not after. He didn't wait to see if you'd manage before assigning it to you. He already knew, and placed you at this post anyway. The struggle you're in right now isn't evidence he doubted you. It's evidence he already believed in your capacity, even on the days you don't believe it about yourself. Feeling exhausted by what you're carrying doesn't disqualify you from having been trusted with it. Every soldier assigned to a demanding post experiences fatigue. That's not failure, it's the natural cost of holding something genuinely difficult. The tiredness isn't proof you're misplaced. It's proof the post is exactly as demanding as it should be for someone Allah considered capable enough to hold it. You don't need to see the end of this assignment to keep holding your position today. Every soldier trusted with a difficult post has moments of wanting to walk away, stay anyway. Not because it's easy, but because you were specifically the one chosen to hold exactly this ground. And Allah doesn't make mistakes in his placements. This post was given to you because you were trusted to hold it, not because you were overlooked. Keep holding it. Comment, "Still holding," if you're staying at your post today, no matter how tired you are. And if someone you know needs this reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.